Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to go live on Instagram. To do this, first open your Play Store and search for Instagram and make sure your Instagram app is updated. If it's updated, then open it. Now tap on the plus icon in the top corner. Now you can change the filters and turn off or on comments and select your audience. After select your audience, then tap here to go live. If you want to go live on Instagram, then you need to 1000 follower or more. Unfortunately, I don't have 1000 follower to go live. But if you have 1000 follower, then you can go live by doing this process on Instagram. Thank you.